Tired of endless searching and clicking? Today, we'll unlock the power of your Ubuntu terminal to get OBS Studio up and running in a flash. First, we need to add the OBS Studio repository to your system's software sources. This tells Ubuntu where to find the OBS packages. Open your terminal and type the command sudo apt repository payobs project. Obs Studio, you'll probably be prompted for your password. Go ahead and enter it, and don't worry if you don't see what you're typing. Just press enter. Now that the repository is added, you'll want to update the package lists. Ensuring your system knows about the newly available software, enter the commands sudo apt update. This command fetches the latest information about available packages from all configured sources, including the OBS Studio repository we just added. With the package lists updated, it's time to install OBS Studio. Use the commands sudo apt install Obs Studio. Ubuntu will now download and install OBS Studio along with any necessary dependencies. So be patient, as this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. And that's it. OBS Studio is now installed. You can now launch OBS Studio from your applications menu or by typing OBS in the terminal. Get ready to start streaming and recording. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nifty terminal tricks.